Here's how to unfollow everyone on Facebook. To start, you need to go ahead and launch your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and log into your account. To start, your Facebook news feed might be too cluttered and you want to unfollow everyone. Tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen and then tap on the three lines in the top left. Scroll down, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Once the Settings and Privacy menu appears, you need to scroll down and go to the Preferences section. Here, you'll get the option of News Feed. If you don't see one, tap on the search bar in the top of the screen and search for News Feed, or you can directly go ahead and search for Unfollow. Tap on the Unfollow tab in the top. This shows everyone you follow. To unfollow someone, just click on the Unfollow button beside it. You don't need to confirm anything, and it's that easy. This method is much faster than going to each profile and unfollowing individually through the three-dot menu. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.